No, you didn't. There's no proof.
Did you know?
There's no proof that you did it.
How about me kicking you in the ballsack? That'd be proof.
Fight, 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 fight.
Protection.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
You think your legs gonna stop me?
On this side, yeah.
Over the other side.
What if all of a sudden I got a bunch of rocks that fall out of nowhere onto your lap?
You are not God.
I could always ask him.
Pray.
And he'll say no. Dude, there are all these, I was looking on Failblog and there were all these, like, religious signs.
Yeah.
Like, and they were, like, they had, like, sexual innuendos in them. One of them was, like, while you were scraping your knees, your mom was on her knee. Or, like, while you scraped your knees, your mom was on hers. That was perverted.
Wow.
What was it? You cannot enter heaven with Jesus until Jesus enters you.
I'm saying that one tomorrow at school.
There was another one. It was like, it said like message of the day, and Jesus said, "Give me that ass" or something.
Then, like, you were in the church, all of a sudden, all the panes of window broke, and like, all the windows had words in them, and all of a sudden they all spelled.
You are a pervert.
God doesn't have a sense of humor.
I was only made the way you made me.
I didn't make you.
You made me this way.
I'm not your dad. I'm not your dad.
You made me this way.
I am not your father.
I'm not saying that you are.
Apparently you are.
You made me
Luke
a perv.
Skywalker. You do a Luke Skywalker.
You made me a
your
perv.
father.
You fail.
What was Luke Skywalker's reaction to that?
Brum, 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 brum.
Yeah, stare at us.
All I saw was.
Well, that's not for future.
Oh, damn it. I should have said, I love you too. And then made him look at us even weirder. Damn it. Missed my moment.
Another
you
fail.
Have no moments, except for the moment when
24.
You were born, and even that was stolen from
No,
you.
take it back. 25.
At least 25.
Okay, 30. That way I don't have to keep counting. You went, no, for day's not over yet, so I'll say 100, and that way I don't have to keep counting.
That's
how it is, that way it's cool.
No, it's much better to be counting
You
down
funny.
days of school than some.
You have no evidence of anything. You're not getting me to do it again.
Look, it's Homer.
Do it. Are you stupid?
No, I wasn't looking at her.
That was not a
Establish
fail.
that he's gay.
I am gonna walk away from this conversation and go inside and leave you two.
Okay, don't.
I don't
go
see your
inside
legs
anywhere,
walking.
Nick.
I said I will. There's a difference between doing and will.
Let's time this. Say when you will do it.
I'm going cold out here.
That's a good idea. There are people in there. They're gonna think I'm awkward, which I am. I can't deny it. It's so much warmer in here.
So cold.
I want food. I should go home and get a couple dollars.
Okay.
Actually, I will.
No. Don't make your face go.
What?
I can't do it.
Like that?
That's like some mild kiss. Like, you rabbits. Rubber rabbit is looking at the window and your face. And a tree. Yeah, that's a tree. It just looks bigger.
That's what she said. You look white. You look whiter.
Yeah.
Like, you look pale white, like freaking vampire Edward white.
Oh, thanks for making it. Oh, you now.
But that's only through the camera lens, this thing.
Yeah, thank you. And thank you for making that reference to Twilight. I needed that in my day.
At least you don't sparkle.
We're not in the sun.
Should I be implying that you do sparkle?
You shouldn't. That's rape right there, alright? Next time you touch me, I'm gonna say no. No! Okay, if you touch me again, it's rape. 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 Rape! Help me. The number to call should be pretty easy. 911. Write it down. Hurry.
So that was last year's.
So far, this is 7.5 minutes long.
Yeah, I think we
I
might
could be
have-
wrong.
That's only this one though.
That's
more.
well, that's what I'm trying to say.